This butter, sage, and lemon pasta proves that simple ingredients can create incredible flavor. A rich, fragrant, and fresh sauce is making every bite irresistible. Once you try it, you'll understand why this combination is a classic. If this recipe makes you hungry for more, subscribe for the next one.